Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and if you're new here, welcome. I received this bomb behind wig from Luvme Hair, so thank you so much Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their 5x5 closure wig, and this actual style is their brown highlight Fun Me curly wig. I did this glueless wig install, and you guys know, for anyone that likes, you know, the glueless type of install, Eben is the perfect spray. You could just put a little bit and then it's gonna stick and it's not gonna move at all. I didn't have to put any like glue or anything. It was super easy to install, ready and go. I think this is like the perfect wig for the summer, because you guys know, like, the summer, it gives you like that bronzy curly look, that vacay look. And another great thing that I really like about this wig is the volume. I feel like this wig is super full. So if you guys want to know how I installed this wig and how I got it to look the way it did, just keep on watching. And I will leave everything down below, my discount code, so you guys could save some money when you guys purchase this hair. See if this wig meets up to your standards for this summer, because I know it did for me. Alright guys, so pretty much this is the final product of the wig. I absolutely love it. It just makes me, I don't know what the word is. I did myself a little layer in the front just so it could frame my face a little better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to check the description box and use my discount code so you guys can save some money off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment something really nice. Let me know what you guys really liked about this video. Let me know how you like the hair, the wig. So yeah guys, that is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.